Malady reflects the talk commit to showing one offense, attempt to evade trial, attempt to influence or intimidate witnesses, conceal or destroy evidence, undermine or jeopardize the objective or proper functioning of the criminal justice system, including the bail system, or disturb the public order or undermine public peace or security.